are people whom Allah honored with Islam.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Careful, careful. He says, and whosoever seeks honor through anything other than Islam, Allah will humiliate him through that very thing he seeks.
Takbir!
Allahu Akbar!
We think victory comes through money. The Muslims have trillions. Has it solved our problems? Answer me. No. Has the trillions of our dollars solved our problems? No. We think that success will come through our degrees and through our leaders. Do we not have doctors and lawyers and engineers? And are we not leaders of countries and nations? Has it solved our problems?
No.
It is Allah and Allah alone. And finally, I say this to the people of Palestine. I don't know if you will hear this message. I don't. But by Allah, if you could see what I see. Muslims from every color, from every nation have gathered here, standing for your cause. O Palestine, O people of Gaza, by Allah, we are not like the leaders. We have not forgotten you. There's not a moment that goes by where we don't pray for you, O people of Palestine. Stand tall, stand firm. Wallah, you bring us a breath of fresh air. You have filled our hearts with joy and pride. I know it's coming at your cost. But don't you ever forget, and I end with this, when the Muslims were in Uhud, and Abu Sufyan stood on behalf of the disbelievers and he said to the Muslims, "O Muslims, one for one." The Prophet says to the Muslims, "Will you not respond?" Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. People of Gaza, you are not like them. For your dead are in Jannah and theirs are in the hellfire.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
You have become a flag, and may that flag never fall. May Allah reward you all.
Takbir! Takbir!